Hello and welcome to Urantia University. If you're just getting started with UUI's online campus, use a laptop or desktop computer to open a browser in full screen mode and follow me through 4 quick steps. Step 1. Create an account and log in. Go to urantiauniversity.org and click Campus Login from the top menu. If you already have an account, log in and skip to Step 2. Otherwise, click Sign Up here and enter your information. Please know that you must have a valid email address in order to access UUI's online campus. Click Create Account and follow the instructions. Check your email inbox for a message titled Welcome to Urantia University. Click the link provided to confirm your account and log in. Step 2. Explore your dashboard and enrolled courses. Each time you log in, you'll be brought home to your learner dashboard. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the UUI logo as well as the word Home. Clicking either of these will bring you back to this learner dashboard. You can also click the hamburger icon in the top left to collapse or expand the left-hand menu. You'll also see the course catalog, which we'll explore in a moment. In the top right corner of your screen, you can hover your name and access your profile as well as progress statistics for the courses you're enrolled in. In the center of the screen are displayed all of your currently enrolled courses. Take note of the 3 courses each student is automatically enrolled in. Think of these as a resource library made available to assist you throughout your studies. Step 3. View and enroll in a new course. To enroll in a self-directed study course, or SDS course for short, click Course Catalog from the left-hand menu. Here you can browse dozens of asynchronous courses which you can enroll in and take at your own pace. Course titles preceded by a number are SDS courses referring to specific papers in the Urantia book. So 1, the Universal Father, refers to Paper 1, the Universal Father, in the Urantia book. You may find it helpful to select Name from the drop-down menu in the top right corner of your screen. This displays all SDS courses in proper numerical order. To view details about a particular course, click on the course title or image. This will bring you to the course outline view. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to view each of the units, which are organized by section titles. To enroll in a course from the course outline view, scroll to the top and click the white button which says Get this course. A green notification should pop up briefly to tell you that you enrolled successfully. Notice that the white button now reads Start Course. You could click here to begin now, but first let's go back to the course catalog. To leave the course outline view, click on the blue icon with the arrow in the top left corner of the screen. Notice the course we just enrolled in. The blue plus symbol icon has now changed to a green icon of a book, indicating that we have enrolled. To enroll in another course from the course catalog view, click the blue plus symbol. You'll get the same green notification in the top right corner. Additional courses offered by UUI can be viewed at urantiauniversity.org under Courses. Here you can view upcoming courses that meet with a live instructor. Different enrollment instructions are provided there. To sign up for email notifications about courses which meet with a live instructor, visit urantiauniversity.org/contact. After entering your contact information, be sure to select the 2 boxes which read Course Opportunities and Program Announcements. Step 4. Start or resume a course. You've already seen one way to do this through the course catalog. Now let's head home to the Learner dashboard and click on any one of your enrolled courses. This brings you again to the course outline where you can click the Start Course button. When you open a course for the first time, you will be taken to the first unit of the course. If you are resuming a course, you will be taken to the earliest unit you have yet to complete. You can scroll down in the left-hand menu to view the course outline and use the hamburger icon to collapse or expand it, just like in the dashboard. You can click and view any available unit from this left-hand menu. Be sure to carefully read the introductory material of your course before continuing, including any introductory videos. When you have finished a unit, be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and click the blue button with the arrow, which reads the title of the next unit. Clicking this ensures your progress is recorded accurately. Completion of a unit is indicated by a green checkmark to the left of the unit in the left-hand menu. When you are ready to leave a course view, click the word Back in the top left corner of the screen. Congratulations! You now have everything you need to get started in UUI's online campus. For additional help, email admin@uranchauniversity.org.